How does it feel like walking down in Toulouse in a warm summer day? What does Toulouse feel like when you explore it with no plan at all? Today, I'm going to wander in the Pink City. Welcome to Tourist Vagabond. I started my first afternoon in Toulouse with walking down the city's central street. What surprised me was the contrast between luxury brands and small local artisan shops. You may find many tourist attractions on this street. Musée des Augustins is one of them. The 200-year-old museum is now home to fine art and is famous for its Romanesque sculpture collection. I was really fascinated by the brickwork here. Walking up Rue des Arts and you find yourself in an energetic square. Place Saint-Georges feels constantly alive. Crowded cafés, conversations, and people living the summer afternoon. This is the kind of neighborhood that you should walk aimlessly and let the city surprises you. Today's my first stop happened to be Basilique Saint-Sernin. Basilique Saint-Sernin is constructed on top of a church from the 4th century. Some parts of this basilica are more than 1,000 years old. It is one of the largest and well-preserved examples of Romanesque architecture. This spectacular basilica is made of red brick. The neighborhood around the basilica is also very fun to walk around. I was very curious and eager to see what lies inside this huge basilica. Walking inside Saint-Sernin feels humbling. The scale, the silence, centuries and centuries of history, everything feels heavy in the best way. The basilica is the second largest collection of Catholic relics, surpassed only by the Vatican itself. The altar originally dates back to 1,000 years ago, although heavy remodeling and restoration was done some 2 centuries ago. You may find some busts and depictions along one of the walls. These artworks represent saints and early martyrs whose holy remains are actually housed right here in the Basilica. Relics of more than 120 saints are stored here. I am still amazed by this fact. So I stepped out of this holy place and headed for a more mundane experience. Boulevard de Strasbourg and its loud traffic. And a long walk in very crowded streets to have a pause near a cool fountain. No, not here. Further. Keep walking through the most beautiful Rue Victor Hugo and you'll find yourself in the very alive square, Jardin Pierre Goudouli. The centerpiece of this garden is a statue dedicated to Pierre Goudouli, Toulouse's most famous poet, and of course, the Garonne River. Wandering through the tight web of medieval-style streets around the Capitole neighborhood is one of my favorite experiences in Toulouse. The streets are intimate and buildings seem like leaning toward each other. Red bricks and wooden windows give you a warm atmosphere. They are completed by the blue sky in the background. Here, restaurants extend the delicious smell of their kitchen along with the loudness of their customers. I can describe these narrow streets as splendid and Romanesque. Capitole is the beating heart of Toulouse. Capitole serves both as City Hall and Opera House. Its grand, symmetrical openness is in contrast to the winding medieval streets around it. The facade is over 130 meters long in pink brick, and of course 8 marble columns symbolizing the original Roman Capitolium. There is a massive Occitan cross embedded in the cobblestones at the center of the square. The 12 signs of zodiac stand at each 12 points of this cross. Nowadays, this Occitan cross is a symbol of the historical region Occitania, a remain from the past for people of this area. For me, standing here in the middle of this huge cross feels like being welcomed by all the good things I have experienced and felt in this warm city. Watching the last rays of summer sun and enjoying the coziness of Toulouse is an unforgettable, sweet moment for me. So, I get ready to enjoy an evening in this vast square with beautiful restaurants. I wonder what an exquisite experience it is to aimlessly walk and stroll in Toulouse. This city has a lot to offer to any tourist, and I am not done yet. Next time, I'll explore a night in Toulouse. Thank you for watching my travel vlog. My adventures continue. Please subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You may also follow us on social media.